I usually put it in the downloads folder because that should exist. So user downloads, that's usually a pretty safe place to put it. But if you want to put it on your SD card, if you have an SD card, you can. It's just that many new phones don't come with SD card slots anymore, so that's not as much of an issue anymore. So once you have found the file, and unfortunately I can't show this to you on my screen, but once you have copied the file to your phone, then you open up your file browser, whatever that is on your phone. It's different on every version of Android and every manufacturer. And then you will click on the APK file. And by default, the security is not going to let you install it. And it's going to tell you that. And so you have to tell your phone, and it will point you in the right direction, but you have to tell your phone to allow installing apps from somewhere other than the App Store. And once you have done that, then it will allow you to install the app on your phone. So yeah, if you're using BlueStacks, let me open that back up again here. I can actually just double click on any app here and it will install it in BlueStacks. Alternately, you can actually drag the APK on top of BlueStacks and it will install it. So if I do this, arrange my windows a little bit. So right now I don't have the French dictionary, for example, here. So I can just drag that onto BlueStacks. And then after a moment, it will ding like a microwave. And now that app is installed.